Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at CoPilot and how we can use CoPilot to create an interactive game like this. So, word search is commonly used by teachers, great way to get students to familiarise themselves with vocabulary. Typically, we do it on paper, we print it out, that all takes time and isn't potentially sustainable. So this is a game that I've created, works in the browser, and I've just used CoPilot. No coding, I've just given it a prompt. So what I've got here is I've got a team A and a team B. I've got points awarded, I've got a timer that I can adjust, pause and restart, and I can also reshuffle the game as well. So those are the words I'm looking for. If we start the countdown now, we can find another word. Let me see if I can find another word. I can then click and drag the word. It will select it. It will then rotate to the next team for them to have a look. So let's go through how we can make it. So I'm going to open up CoPilot. I've been having a play with different prompts. So I've got a prompt here I've already designed. So I'm going to copy that. But the key thing is I've asked it to create an interactive activity. So I've chosen a word search. It's got to be able to work in the browser. And then I've given it some specifications. So I want to include a countdown timer. I want there to be space for 2 teams. I want words that are found to be automatically ticked off a list that's displayed below the word search. And I've also specified, and this is really important, I've specified how many letters by how many letters tall and wide it is. If you don't do that, it makes it very easy to find the words that are there. And then I've been very specific about the words I want. One thing I did in the first thing by mistake was I put in a word that was longer than the 15 by 15, and then of course it doesn't work. So, and then having got it to do that, the final part is for it to package it as a downloadable HTML file. So let's try it again and see whether it works. I guarantee that doing it on video it won't work, but let's see if we can get a similar result. So I'm going to click copy that. I'm going to jump across to CoPilot. I'm using CoPilot with in my organization. So it's telling me it's safe because it's the enterprise version, and then I'm going to hit submit. Now because I'm asking it to do quite a lot, it's going to take some time. So you have to be a bit patient. It's not going to be an instant response. Okay, so it's come back. It's taken a while, so it's not a quick process, but it's created the code and it's given me a checklist. So it's asked me, it's ticked off all of those things. It's given me a link that I can just download, and it's giving me instructions on how to use it. So it also really helpfully provides other refinements you can make. So it's prompting that I could add sound effects, but let's download that. We're going to click save, and then we can open that file and it'll open in the browser. And here we have our word search. So it's created our new game. We've got team A and team B. It's got a countdown timer. And we can click start and it ticks the words off. It's refined the design, which is quite nice. So it's slightly more vibrant than the previous one. But there we have it, a really useful thing. So if we click start, we can start to look for a word within that list there. Having got our file, the key thing to do is to save the HTML. What I tend to do is if you're going to use it on another device, upload it to your OneDrive. Then all you need to do when you're on your other device is download it, open it in the browser, and you're good to go. So there you have it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.